Our candidates with their evening gown. Number 1, Madioya. Dahan-dahan lang daw. Madioya is a graduate of BS Accountancy in Ateneo de Manila University and taking up nursing again. Baliw. Graduated as summa cum laude and now become a janitor. Okay, please welcome candidate number 1, Madioya. Candidate number 2. He or she is I don't know. if this Bachelor of Psychology major in Agriculture. Walang connection. Please welcome our 2 candidates. Ano, choir? Choir? Close up, look, pag kagagalaw. Dito, magtingin, no?
Para bikini na.